Let's see if this works before I take it up. It's on, full battery. Pump in. There you go. Alright, so got up on the roof because I was going to get run over. We're in the strip mall, it's in the alley, so that's where my ladder is. But so it worked pretty good. We'll see. Today we're dealing with micro channels, so I'm going to just make sure it goes all the way through. I will have to use a separate sprayer or an aerosol can for now to get that through until I figure out something for this. But we just need to wash them real quick, right? And a lot of times you only want water anyway. Put my battery in there, one of mine. The only thing is where it clips on the shoulder strap, it doesn't come with one, which sucks. Cause like how else, I don't know. Figured it'd be an included item, but this is rolled narrow, so only this broken strap that I was using on my other pack out, where I put these little thin carabiners, or hooks, S-hooks, whatever. That's the only thing that fit in there. I couldn't fit any of the other shoulder straps I had, so let me get to washing and see what it does. All right, so I had it on the fan setting just to conserve some water so I can damp the whole thing, saturate it a little bit. And then if you just put it on the jet stream, that's where it'll push all the way through. So you're gonna get water. So that Milwaukee one, it's the only one I could find was a 2-gallon one at the stores here. That's enough to do maybe one unit. I needed to refill to do the other RTU. So I mean, ideally they're not, you know, none of them are perfect. The Milwaukee will get you by if you absolutely do not have any water. It's better than nothing, right? No faucets or anything of that nature, and you're going up on a roof. It was very easy to carry. You're just gonna have to do extra trips for any locations that have multiple units, right? It's gonna take a lot of water. That's always the issue, the volume. I would think 3 to 4 gallons would be perfect to down or minimize the trips. The only other option is gonna be the one from Jet Coil Jet, whatever it's called. There's an orange one, but that one's like 900 bucks. The Milwaukee one is 200 bucks, so it's not that bad, but it's a lot smaller. It's less than half of the capacity on the water, and it's only 80 psi, where this one would have been 100. I read 130. The box I think said 150. So almost half the psi on the Milwaukee. see something real quick. Yep. My dad's like, oh, they probably didn't get it done. Nope, they did. That's a new compressor. Yeah, there we go. I had one that gave out. Somebody else replaced it, so it is what it is. They didn't bother to put a crankcase heater. They didn't put the heater that goes around like this one. They just capped it off. It is what it is. So I was wondering, because I recommended this one last summer. So yeah, it's just a tale of multiple companies being able to go and get called. We basically, as you can tell, we're on a list. So just whoever they get a quote from. I think right now we're quoting out some stuff too, like makeup air units and stuff like that. They need to be replaced. But I'm assuming, you know, they get at least 3 of them. Whoever's the cheapest, quickest will get the job done. And we're always in the middle. Just depends on the work that you want done. So we're still doing maintenance, still get paid for that. So let's start cleaning all this. Probably gonna need a couple trips for that. And we'll get to it. So the only bad thing with this, the battery is not bad, because I think we still had full battery. It's just the amount of water. 2 gallons barely did this coil, right? So I mean, my advice, if you're gonna use this a lot, get the 4-gallon one. They just didn't have it when I went, and I was able to clean this pretty good. It came out clear. And then if anything, I have this to kind of, I just picked this one up, the little compact M12 blower, because my other one gave out. Just kind of clean up any debris, maybe push out some water that I didn't get to because I ran out. And now I just have to get, or finish this one and then get more water to do the next unit, and we'll be good. It's the afternoon, it's getting a lot hotter. But I hate this one, or this roof, because there's like a 5-foot wall around the rooftop. So I don't really get all the good wind that we're having today, but it's not as windy as it was at the previous location, because we were by the beach. This is more in the city. And yeah, it just feels humid now. So that's that. I just packed everything up. That, like I said, that pressure washer, the Milwaukee one, if you're gonna, unless you do small units or rarely use it, that one's not bad for $199, but I would highly recommend the 4-gallon one if you want to do less trips. It is what it is. Like I said, we get work, still pay everybody on time, payroll. I've never had to wait for a check, not since we started our business. There were times that I had to not get paid some weeks, but that doesn't happen anymore. We make more money year after year. So that's it. I just wanted to show some maintenance calls. I don't know if something was gonna pop up. I just started to record, and hope you got something out of it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all.